What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video on how to replace your gear knob. I have the M Sport gear knob now. I don't know about having an M badge on a car that's not M Sport, but I suppose I am doing a conversion, and it looks so much far better than the original. Now, in comparison, as you can see side by side, it is a big difference in terms of height, because I'm used to the gear knob being high. Now this one is shorter and it's more blacked out. It'll suit my interior as well. So we're just gonna crack straight onto it. It's a quick little fun mod that you can do. I've watched YouTube videos. It's really tough to remove these, and you want to be really careful when you do remove it, because you get a pull, you can end up breaking something, and you don't want to do that. So we're gonna give it a shot and try to remove it. So you'll need strength.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I never realised how much strength it would require. I am learning as I go. So we're gonna put it in second gear. Like so. Now this takes so much effort. Now, the way I'd recommend is exactly what I just did. I put the gear onto the second gear and used some force, and it came out. But you want to be really careful when you do this, in case you do damage some components. Now, just quickly, the difference. I'm not too sure if the camera's focusing, but here is the size difference, and it has the M badge here. Just a quick cool upgrade I thought I'd do and show you guys. So now we can keep it back to normal, and well, place it in, and I hope it fits, but we'll find out. And then it looks like it's in. Once again, the old one, it had a little more silver to it. Looks really stock, and I just thought just to give it a quick cool upgrade. It looks so much better. As you're aware, I've got a new series of the M Sport LCI E90 conversion, and I've got part 2 coming real soon, and it's just in the process of editing it. And if you follow me on my socials at @officialbighus, you'll see all the updates, and you'll know when I'll release it. I've switched the car on now, and it seems like it's on good. Try to pull that away. It's not letting me. Press it in. It's fine. Now we're gonna check. You know what? It feels so much better. It's a bit different to the stock one. As you can tell, the stock was a bit higher. I'd be holding up here, but it feels great. And I would definitely recommend give it a shot, guys. Let me know how you do, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.